Hey you guys, this is your girl Tip and I am back with another video. I am so upset because I had a whole day that I recorded for you guys where I took you guys along with me to the grocery store and where I went shopping, where I cleared my refrigerator out because I am doing a 7-day raw vegan challenge and I can't believe that my app messed up. So all of that content that I created for y'all, it is gone because I had to delete some stuff off my camera and it's gone. And so I'm just remaking this video. I'm exhausted at this point. I'm going to be showing you guys the before of how my refrigerator looked and how it's looking now for my raw vegan challenge. So just keep on watching. Right now, I'm in the grocery store, and I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. I was actually able to recover some of the footage that I recorded. Okay, you guys, I am finally back from the store and I got a little bit of everything. I was so excited to go shopping today. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I bought while I was in the store. I got purple onion. I got some I got some kale. I got some apples, Fiji apples at that. Set these over there. I got some ginger. Got some cherry tomatoes. These are supposed to be sweet. I got some grapes, of course. I got some raspberries. I got some strawberries. I got some blackberries. I also got avocado. This is a big avocado at that. I got some pears. These are my favorite kind of pears, the yellow ones. They're good and sweet. Got a few of those. I got some mangoes. These are some of my favorite mangoes, the yellow ones. They are so good and sweet at that. I got me a watermelon. I got some honeydew. I got a pineapple. And I got some coconuts. Yeah. I got 2 of those. I got some celery because I'm going to be juicing my cucumbers and celery. I got these fruit refreshers, grapefruit. I love grapefruit. It's good in that juice. I also got some dill pickles, the small ones. These are crunchy. I like those. Those are good to snack on. And I got some almond milk, original, unsweetened. It tastes just like cow milk, but this is better for you. Got some beets. Sorry about that, y'all, my camera. I got some carrots, the little packets, the small baby. I got some spring mix salad. And what else? I got some kiwis. I love kiwis. I got some blueberries. Those are kind of big. I got these little cucumbers. I love these. These are so refreshing. They're crunchy. And I just love the taste of them. And I actually got all this stuff from Walmart. And it really didn't cost that much. I was looking at everything as I rung it up. And I was like, dang. I got some bananas, of course. You know I had to get some bananas. I got some bananas. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. It's just how it's placed. I got papaya. And I got a green one because it might be a couple days before I get to it. But yeah, got me a papaya. And I racked up on some cucumbers, like I told y'all, because I am actually going to be making me some juices. So I got these big ones right here. That's for my juice. And so that's all the food that I got. I'm actually going to show y'all the end result once I place it all into my refrigerator. All right, you guys. This is everything put up into the refrigerator. As you can see, I got all living foods in here. My berries right there behind the pineapple. Apples, ginger, mangoes, coconut, cucumbers, and then right here in the bottom I have my beets and my salad. On this bottom I have my kale. Yes. Isn't that just so beautiful? Wow. Alrighty, had a long day today. I thank you guys for coming along with me for my 7-day raw vegan challenge. please, please, please just wish me luck on this, because it, like I told you, it is a big challenge, and it's just something that I've always wanted to do. It's like something that I had on like my bucket list, something that I just know I need to do, just to try it out and see what it does for me. Anyways, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you really want to support me. And until next time, peace.